Rahul here, your Brampton West candidate with the People's Party of Canada. I was just at work and I want to send everyone a video. As you can see, we're using my office as a campaign office as well. And I've had the opportunity to campaign this week and go door to door and meet a lot of Brampton West citizens. So thank you for giving me the opportunity to meet you out there and address your concerns and get to know you on a personal level. So it's really been nice. So thank you so much for that. But that's not what this video is about. I wanted to take a quick minute and just, I really had to send a heartfelt thank you to everyone out there that supported me yesterday when I posted a video that went viral on Twitter regarding, some backlash and some negativity that I've been facing, standing with the People's Party of Canada. When People's Party of Canada, people have, said negative things and they've called it a far right party or a racist party. And me being a brown person, an immigrant, how can I stand with such a party? And I posted that message yesterday, and I was shown so much positivity and support, well, mostly positivity from so many people. And it was the perfect example and exactly what I was trying to say yesterday. Canada first, because this only happens in Canada. No one saw my race, religion, color, or the fact that I'm an immigrant or whatever the case may be. And they just supported me. They heard my message. They understood my message. They understood me. They stood by me and they supported me. Whether they were white, black, or brown, it didn't matter. And that's exactly what I meant. When we create, what a lot of other parties and a lot of people are doing, we create laws, rules, regulations that favor one religion, caste system, or one race or one color over another. We are creating systemic racism. That's what we are doing. Yesterday was a perfect example of the goodness in everyone, how everyone is united no matter what the skin color is. And that's what I stand for. I'm not saying that's, what I believe in politics and I have so many political affiliations. Yes, I am with the People's Party of Canada, but as an individual, I stand for that unity that I was shown yesterday. So thank you to everyone for proving my point, for all of us standing together, no matter what our race or skin color. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.